Family out of town visiting a dying relative, returning home to find that somebody else has moved into their place of 21 years.
Yeah, now that person says that he has court documents to prove the house is now his. WLWT News Source Karen Johnson investigated for us and actually uncovered a dozen cases linked to the same guy.
That's right, guys. A Springdale family says they're so scared they've asked us not to identify them. They're moving to Pittsburgh and the bank is foreclosing on their home here. But they came home one afternoon to find locks had been changed and not by the bank.
We did the only thing families should do. We went and took care of him.
Caring for a dying father, battling health issues. This has been a rough year for the family.
But it's really been hard.
And it just got worse.
This is a window that they broke in. They opened this window and took the air conditioner out.
A stranger changed the locks and emptied the house. When confronted,
this gentleman said, "Oh, now I understand why you were so upset. You thought you'd been robbed." Duh. Isn't that what you did to us?
Meet Robert Carr. He showed the family a document he filed with the Hamilton County courts. It's called a quiet title, saying the house that's been theirs for 21 years is now his.
What he's looking for is full title and ownership of the home.
Without paying a dime.
He's in their home and they don't know when he's there. He could be there now.
He wasn't at the home on Springdale Lake Drive when we were there. Instead, we tracked him down at a house on Geneva Road in Forest Park.
Hi.
Yeah?
Are you Mr. Robert Carr?
Yeah.
Where he's done the same thing.
Why not? The property's vacant.
And our investigation found 11 houses in Springdale, Forest Park, Fairfield, and Hamilton, where Carr has filed the same paperwork. 7 on one day.
When you abandon a property, bam, walk away from it. I ain't never coming back. I don't want nothing to do it, right?
Yeah.
Somebody else can come in. Oh, ooh, mine.
Carr has even posted no trespassing signs.
I don't care about a deed. I don't need a deed.
But you can just come in and change the locks and become owner?
Can. Anybody can. So I have a team of people who go out and I say, make sure the house is empty. If it's empty, you know, change the locks.
Creating heartache for families who are already going through a rough time.
This is stress that has fallen on their shoulders out of nowhere after the death of a loved one. And now they're responsible to answer this.
That's on top of the fear the family says they now live in.
I feel violated, very scared, because I never know if somebody's going to be here.
And in one of the cases, Carr has been charged with breaking and entering. It's a charge he is fighting. This is a copy of the indictment, which he rejected, even wrote on it, offer not accepted. Sheree?
Wow, what an eye-opener. Great investigation, Karen. Thank you. By the way, the FBI won't comment on the specific case here, but tells us it has seen similar cases before.
They'll come together as groups to receive training, how to conduct some of these schemes from a financial standpoint, to understand what they consider the common law and how they can use that common law for their sovereign purposes.
So Special Agent in Charge Kevin Cornelius tells us claims like this have no basis in the law.
I'm not familiar of any cases where it's been held up in court. I think that it holds up the process of the court's decision.
Now, if you want, you can read the documents Carr is filing with the courts. We have them posted for you on our website, WLWT.com.